We're on the plane now. Just got our first amenity, economy class. Hotel.
We're on Singapore Airlines from LAX to Singapore, and we'll do a quick review of the plane.
That was much more informative.
Entertainment system.
It was cool when you first log onto the screen. You actually can like link it to your phone or sign into your account, and then it's pretty easy to navigate. It's like the touch screen is very smooth.
What else do they have?
Flight info, they have movies,
I mean,
TV.
like, what else?
And then the seat is well designed, like all the stuff you would want is really easy to access. So you can plug in your charger, you can access the light or the call button, plug in your headphones.
Cup holder.
Yeah, cup holder.
Okay, standard, pretty standard.
The tray even has like a little mirror in it. That's kind of...
the guy's collecting it now.
Oh, very quick turnaround.
Can you give this to them? That's how they collect it. Leg space, pretty good. I'm about 5'7", 5'8", so I can stretch my legs out.
I'm 5'4", 5'5".
They have another plug right here.
And then their little pocket has, like, usually it's a seat back pocket, but they have compartments, so you can put more stuff in.
And then we're in seat 50E, by the way. What kind of plane is this? It's an Airbus A350.
Oh. We're in the middle of the plane.
Okay, we'll check back in when something else happens.
Came with a blanket and a pillow. So it's a long overnight flight. So we'll probably try to get some sleep at some point.
And here up on top. I don't know if anyone's interested in the light system.
Don't blind them.
And this is their costume these flight attendants wear. Alright, we have a meal service. It's about 2 hours into the flight. They have a dinner.
Coke Zero, please.
Oh, thank you. So, chicken, shrimp salad, cake, some bread. That's nice.
Looks decent.
Some chicken and rice. I don't know what the yellow shavings are.
That might be cheese. It's kind of interesting.
Here's mine.
Same thing, right?
They serve wine and beer, I think.
It's water. They also give us silverware instead of plastic. And they provide a little moist towelette to wipe your hands. We just woke up. It's 10 hours into the flight, and they're doing a second meal service. Seems like it's a breakfast service. We'll check back in once we get our food. Our breakfast is here. It's a chicken and noodle dish.
water.
Does she need this?
Let's get ready to eat.
Alright, we just got off the plane. That's the plane right there.
Hey guys, so we just wanted to do a small review of our experience flying Singapore Airlines. We showed you the 2 meals already and they were pretty good. It was 2 different chicken dishes.
Yeah, and the seats were good. The flight attendants were good. They were as opposed to like American flights, they're slimmer, so they don't really hit you when they walk through the aisles. Did you get hit once?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, so I would say on an American Airlines, not American, like a US based airlines, I would get hit at least 2 or 3 times. So that's a good plus. What else?
They had pretty regular like back and forth service there where they'd like
yeah.
collect trash or give you water or whatever else, but you do kind of have to flag them down. They're not, maybe because it's an overnight flight and people are sleeping, they're not very proactive.
And it's dark.
Yeah, but once you flag them down, they're nice and they'll get you whatever you need.
Yeah, the service is definitely a lot better. They there's snacks you can get at the back of the plane. They're just like pretty nice in getting you what you need. What about the snack?
Well, we got a instant noodle as one of our snacks, so that's pretty good actually. It was nice because they did a dinner and a breakfast meal, but there's still a couple hours toward the end of the flight, so it's good as a snack toward the end of the flight.
Yeah. So overall, it's good. Much better than any US-based flights. So if it's for the same price, you should definitely go for Singapore Airlines.
Yep.
And a really big movie selection also.
Yes. And really easy to use that screen. It's like quite new and you can like put bookmarks and go back to the stuff you were watching. It's really cool.
Yeah. There was a USB and also an outlet in your seat. So overall good.
Yep. Good experience. Good flight in. So we'll see how the rest of the trip goes.
Alright, we're in Singapore by the way, so I'm just gonna explore Singapore today. Alright, bye.
Bye.